Think back to your grade school biology class. You learned about the mighty mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell that generate all your energy needs, but also produce harmful free radicals. When your mitochondria can't keep up with energy demands, your hardest working organs, like your brain, heart, and immune system, slow down. If you have low energy, mental fog, and always feel fatigued, it's time for a boost with MitoCORE Protein Blend. MitoCORE Protein Blend is scientifically formulated to provide clean protein and recharge cellular energy production with a trio of targeted nutrients. Acetyl L-carnitine shuttles fuel into the mitochondria, where it's quickly converted into energy. Powerful antioxidants alpha-lipoic acid and N-acetylcysteine catch and neutralize free radicals. This ensures the cycle of energy production continues, maximizing your energy. Try MitoCORE Protein Blend, the delicious way to fuel your body.